Most people are leaving money on the table with cashback apps. I'm going to show you exactly how to maximize your savings using Indian cashback platforms. First, stack your offers. Don't just use one app. Combine Paytm, PhonePe, and Amazon Pay for the same purchase. Buy gift cards through one app, then use those cards on another platform that's offering additional cashback. Second, time your purchases around festivals and sales events. Apps like Cred and MobiKwik often double their cashback rates during Diwali, Dussehra, and end-of-month cycles. Third, master the referral game. Each successful referral on apps like Google Pay can net you 50 to 200 rupees. Share your code strategically with family and friends who actually make regular digital payments. Here's the mistake everyone makes: they cash out immediately. Instead, let your cashback accumulate and use it during bonus redemption periods when you get 10-20% extra value. Finally, link your credit cards that offer additional rewards. You're essentially getting paid twice for the same transaction. Start with just one of these strategies today, and you'll see the difference in your next statement.